Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to pin a message in WhatsApp group. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our WhatsApp, and let's go ahead to any WhatsApp, whether you were the admin or you were like a member of that group, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just enter this group, for example, right? So if you want to pin a message, if you are the moderator or not, you're gonna just hold, for example, this message, right? And from here you're gonna see that you don't have, if you clicked right here on more, you're gonna see right here you can reply privately, message, report, delete, and something like that, right? And you won't see an option actually to pin a message in a WhatsApp group, whether you were a moderator or not. But alternatively, what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here unstar, right? So we're gonna hold the message again, and we're gonna just hold like our click star button, and from here we're gonna put that message in the starred message, right? That means that whenever you want to see that message again in a group, it's not like pinning a message, unfortunately, but it is alternative choice currently. So what we're gonna do now to see that starred message, we're gonna just go ahead and click the title of that group or the avatar icon of that group at the top, right? And you're gonna see media links in docs, and you're gonna see the starred message. And from here you're gonna see all the messages that you add star to it in the starred messages. And from there it's kind of like, pinning a message on a group, but in a different section. So you actually you won't see it inside the group, but you will see it once you enter the group title, and you're gonna see in the start message all the messages in that group being right here. So unfortunately for now, it is the best solution. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.